Hey, it's doing more than what it did. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Here with the Impala update. I haven't worked on any of my cars actually for like the past month and a half to almost 2 months because I did have 2 broken ribs and a collapsed lung. So doctors forbid me to lift weights or work on anything car related. But I did have a chance to actually take my Impala to one of my mechanics, and he did some work for me. So we're gonna go check out on some progress. I end up coming down to my hometown literally about maybe a month ago just to tow the car over to the shop, and it gave us hell the whole way. She's a big woman and she was pissed off, so check this out. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Right now we're just getting the car ready to get towed up to the shop so we can go ahead and work on it and get this thing running again. We're trying to tow her and that just happened. Yikes. Alright guys, so what happened is his tow cable broke, and so he's got to go get parts to fix his tow cable. Then we can actually go ahead and tow the blue beast over here. See y'all in a second. Alright guys, so it's an hour and a half later and he's here with another truck. Let's see if we can get this thing loaded up. Alright, so we got her up here. Down. So next stop is going to be at my mechanic shops where we can see if we can get her going.
You want to put something behind the wheel? Did you grab something?
Yeah.
I know she don't sit on her own.
She does. She just got a tendency to roll on her own. Hey, it's doing more than what it did.
There's no throttle hooked up on it. The pumping of gas ain't going to do much.
Okay. I mean, let's try it again. 3rd time's a charm. Oh, wow. Oh, shit.
Don't give me any gas. It might be.
I think you see John, he's actually got it so that it turns over, but we're going to go ahead and he's going to go ahead and install a new wiring harness and steering column, so let's go check it out.
I mean, the harness is basically a you build it deal and whatnot. That's what they are, basically.
Okay. Is it pretty hard to wire them up?
It's just time consuming.
And it's upgraded too.
Yeah, you wind up with the new style fuses.
Cool. And then once that's in there, I'll start running cables and everything to do the radio.
It eliminates all the
Nice.
glass.
And this is the 21 circuit from Painless Performance Products. I like how it's neatly packaged too.
Yeah, and all that stuff's...
And it's labeled too, ain't it?
Yeah, it's all marked.
Yeah. It is. Like there's the tail lights. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with this. I got a pretty good deal on it too. It was only on like $250, and then like $15 shipping. Cause I know I paid, and I was surprised because when I went ahead to go to checkout, it actually took me to summitracing.com to do the checkout, and the wiring harness from the red convertible, that's from Summit Racing, but I paid almost $500–600 for that one. And that one still has like the old school fuses, and it's not even upgraded. It's nice.
They may have sold you something there that was exact for it.
Yeah, I think it was OEM style. Is what it was.
This, I'm assuming, is your turn signal. This and these, I'm assuming, are your turn signal. My guess is that all these connectors are basically, for the most part, your lighting.
Okay.
Would be my guess when I go through the
And I see one
instructions.
we got here. See, we got fuses for the headlights.
Now they got a whole pile of this shit. Now I don't know if I'll be using that shit. I may be coming up with some other eyelets and whatnot that I can solder.
Okay. They even got ones for heat on here, which I don't have heat, but oh, they even got fuses for electrical fans.
You got heat?
Wipers.
What, you got no heat?
Well, I mean AC. I mean, excuse me. I don't have a horn on there. I don't think. But
well, it's supposed to be a horn in there.
yes. So I might have to just order a. We just might have to order a little $10 kit and put it on the side like it's already in there.
But their instructions plus everything's marked. Okay. Now they said now they have like these. They've got these, and obviously they want you to connect these into this and crib connect them.
Okay.
That ain't fucking happening.
Okay. And then I guess my other question is...
They'll get soldered, they'll get heat shrinked and all that neat shit. So
okay.
You'll wind up, that'll be like a parts, those parts, you'll put the bill for whatever eyelets and shit like that I have to solder and heat shrink and whatnot that I go through, but that's immaterial.
Okay. I'll turn that way. Tape? Yes, taped.
Trying to figure out.
I can't remember. I just know that's the one they said they give me a discount on, so. I'm just like a kid in a candy store, man. See, John's doing it all nice, but. And supposedly, the guy that I talked to on the helpline, he said these are also paintable too. I'm just gonna keep it chrome though. I'm not doing all the painting.
The last one I did was billet aluminum.
It's got some weight to it too. Jeez. Pull that stuff off if you want to.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need that mount shit, but I'm gonna have to figure out what we're gonna have to do for a mount.
Okay. That looks nicer. It looks nicer than in the picture. Damn.
Goddamn ones on the house are the ones that'll kill you.
Right. So that's just the update on the 64 Impala. Another, what'd you say, about 2 months?
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully 2 months. Hopefully we'll make it to Ocean City, Maryland. We'll see what happens.
If all goes well.
I hope so. I hope so. All right, let's get out of here. I got to hit this road and head to D.C. Have a good one.